Now coming to mechanism of action. You administer soda bicarbonate. It splits into sodium and bicarbonate. This bicarbonate mixes with hydrogen ion, thereby reduces the hydrogen ion concentration, then forms carbonic acid, which splits into carbon dioxide and water, where the carbon dioxide is exhaled and water is excreted. This is the normal metabolism of soda bicarbonate once you administer. By doing this, you increase your plasma bicarbonate level, which will buffer the excess hydrogen ion concentration. In short, it counters the acidosis. And here you have to understand two major components. What it does to the hydrogen ion concentration, and another one is what happens to carbon dioxide. So, where is the regulation of soda bicarbonate is happening? The first and foremost is the kidney. Your bicarbonate is exchanged for hydrogen ion, and the major regulator for this part is the kidney. And another important component which you have to take care is carbon dioxide. Carbonic acid breaks down into water and carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is excreted by the lung. So, the two major organ which is involved in the regulation of bicarbonate is kidney, in which the bicarbonate is exchanged for hydrogen ion, and lung, where your carbon dioxide is exhaled. Coming to bicarbonate and kidney. The main regulation of kidney is done by either secretion or absorption, and by this it regulates the serum pH. Another important thing is, by giving bicarbonate, you alkalize the urine. By alkalizing this urine, it normalizes the tubular acid concentration gradient, and this helps in managing fluctuation in serum acid base status. Not only that, it also helps in preventing the precipitates which happens in the renal tubule. Normally in an acidic environment, precipitation will happen inside the renal tubule. By alkalizing the urine, you are preventing the precipitation happening, and thereby preventing the mechanical or chemical damage. And what is more important is, when you give soda bicarbonate, you do this without disturbing the electrochemical gradient.